we'll be teaching you how to snow skate. First, you will need a snow skate. I want the blue one. Alright, hit the blue one then. We will be teaching you how to hit a box. And a rail. This kid will show you how to hit the box.
As so. Now this kid right here is going to be teaching you how to hit a rail. A ramp onto a rail.
Randy, move! Okay. Or that can stop.
Wow, having technical difficulties.
Sit that one more time.
Alright.
What the hell? Okay, that time wasn't my fault.
Go back over to this kid. Oh, you pop, shove it. That's horrible. There we go. That's perfect. Stupid World Industry. Yeah. Now we're gonna do this. Perfect. Well, his foot goes in the snow. He's cold.
Okay, show you how to drop in.
Wait, I'm gonna show him how to pop. Well, I just showed you. Dude, let me show him how to pop shove it off the box.
Okay.
Take this video camera, sir.
Don't teach him how to drop in. Good enough.
Yeah, good enough.
Never gonna land it. Alright, show him how to drop in.
Why is that snowboard mysteriously moving? Awkward. Oh! Too bad I didn't catch that on film.
That is how you drop in.